Hello everyone, here are 7 tips for lifelong breast health. Maintain a healthy body weight. Maintain a body mass index of less than 21 throughout your life. Weight gain and obesity may increase your risk of breast cancer. Make time for regular exercise. Adopt an active lifestyle. Aim for 30 minutes or more of moderate aerobic activity at least 5 days per week. Minimize or avoid alcohol. Alcohol is one of the most well-established dietary risk factor for breast cancer. Women who consume more than 2 glasses of alcohol a day are at higher risk. Eat more vegetables. Consume more cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, dark leafy greens, carrots, tomatoes, citrus fruits, berries and cherries. Target motherhood. Target to have your first child before 30. Mothers who breastfeed their babies for 6 months or longer may have a slightly lower risk of developing breast cancer. Early detection is your best protection. Self-examination of breast is recommended once a month, about 1 week from the first day of menses. For women who no longer menstruate, choosing a date each month is an easy way to remember. Be sure to notify your doctor any breast changes such as swelling, presence of lump, skin changes or discharge from the nipple. Quit smoking. The risk of many cancers, including breast cancer and other health problems, increases if you smoke. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe my channel if you like my content.